Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I created this look right here, which is inspired by Olivia Rodrigo's newest music video, Driver's License. I think everyone is obsessed with that song. I see it all over TikTok. So I thought it was a cool look to recreate because I think that a lot of people can take this look and make it into their everyday makeup if they like this vibe for their everyday makeup. So it's very simple, very fresh, very youthful. The glossy lips, which I think is awesome. It's a little hard nowadays to wear glossy lips because of our face masks that we all should be wearing, but I do think it's a really cute look, even just like for an Instagram post or something. And I showed you guys how I ended up getting like this wavy hair look for my hair to match hers. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this, then please keep watching. Alrighty, I am starting out with just my fresh bare skin. So I'm gonna just start out with foundation. Her makeup is so natural. So I have these three Fit Me foundations in the shade 120, 128, and 228. And I think if I put all of these together, we'll get a shade that, like, I'm very red right now, but like, here's my skin tone. I don't know. We'll see. We'll figure it out. And I think if I mix all of these, we'll get a shade that's kind of like my skin. Alright, so I think I got a shade pretty good right here. Again, my skin is a little bit red right now because I just got out of the shower and like put on all my products. But I think it's pretty good, that shade mix. So I'm just gonna put that on my skin, bring it down my neck. And don't put the foundation or any concealer on your eyelids. She has like a very natural tint. It seems like on her eyelids, it doesn't seem like she has like a full-on makeup. Well, she doesn't have a full-on makeup look, but I don't think that she has like an eyeshadow look necessarily. I'm sure she has like a shade or two, and I am gonna put some eyeshadow just there, or maybe just some bronzer, we'll see. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and powder. I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm gonna just kind of dab that in the places that I crease. Just a little bit and press it in, just where I crease and where I get oily. And then we're going to do an all over powder with an Item Beauty powder. So now I'm going in with the Item Beauty, what is it called? Forget it. The Item Beauty Straight Fire Blot Brighten and Blur powder. And I'm just going to go over my whole entire face with this. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and just work on my eyebrows because they're looking a little bit rough, covered in that foundation. I'm going to take my Item Beauty Brow Chow, and I'm just going to go ahead and fill them in like I normally do. Her eyebrows are naturally a little bit thinner than mine. You can do them and try to reshape your eyebrows to look like hers, but I'm just kind of showing you how to get the same makeup look, but on you and on me. You know? So I'm going to take this Jouer blush duo in Darling. It has this shade, which is Embrace Me, and this one, which is Love Me. All the dogs in my neighborhood are going crazy right now, apparently. So I'm going to take the shade Embrace Me right here, and we're going to just do a little light blush on the cheeks. And this, the finish of these Jouer blushes is very like, you can kind of see it like has like a sheen to it. Hope you guys can see that, or else I'm just like moving my face weird. And I'm gonna take that darker one, Love Me, and I'm just gonna go over that area as well, just a little bit, and just go over my nose. Just like that. She doesn't have, again, crazy blush or crazy anything, to be completely honest. But she definitely seems like she has some bronzer on. So I'm going to go in with my NARS Laguna bronzer. And I'm just going to get that hairline area and bring it onto my cheekbones. And I'm going to use this to kind of contour my lips and my nose to look a little bit like hers. So I'm going to look at a photo of her. She has a really, really tiny nose. So I'm just going to take some of the bronzer and bring it alongside my nose. Just like that. And I need to contour my lips for sure because your girl has some small lips, especially in compared to her. So I'm gonna go ahead and contour. She has like very like round lips. Round. I said brown. Did I say brown or round? She has round lips. She doesn't have brown lips. So I'm gonna take the bronzer and just go over my two Cupid's bows. And I'm gonna do my outer corner. She seems to have like a I'll show you. So see this side of the mouth compared to this side? She has like that little situation happening. I need to learn like the scientific term for that. Okay. And now I'm gonna go over with my Item Beauty Brow Chow. And I'm going to go over just that top lip line and maybe the other contours as well, just to kind of keep it in place. As like, you can use any brown eyeliner, it's just eyeliner or lip liner, a brown one, just to help contour. But I'm going to just use this. Oh my goodness. My neighbor is mowing his lawn again. Alright, if you watched my last video, you know that the whole reason that I didn't speak in my video was because my neighbor was mowing his lawn the entire time. He's doing it again. It's been 2 days. Whatever. Alright, so that's it for contouring my lips. Now I'm just going to move on to the eyes. It doesn't really seem like she has that much going on, so I'm just gonna go in with this shade right here, Necessary. This one right here, I was like moving my finger around like crazy. That shade, Necessary, from the Friendcation palette from Desi and Katie, and I'm just gonna kind of bring that along my lash line just like this and drag it out. Just like that with a big fluffy brush. And then whatever's left over, I'm going to bring it underneath my eye. And then I'm just going to pull everything in. And that's it. So eyes are done. I'm going to curl my lashes because she has beautifully curled lashes. I'm pretty sure that she might have lash extensions. I'm not really sure. Maybe she has like naturally just like super long lashes. But I think that she has eyelash extensions on in the video. So I might add like some individual lashes just to give mine a little bit of a boost because your girl's not blessed. But for now I'm just gonna go ahead and put on some mascara. I'll use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, the waterproof one, so it holds my curl if I can open it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply mascara. Alright, so I just went on her Instagram. I'm sorry again about my neighbors. I went on her Instagram and looked at her eyelashes. Her natural lashes are a little bit shorter, so I'm like 100% sure that in the video she had some type of lash extensions or even individual lashes on. So I'm gonna go ahead and just like stick on just like little individual lashes throughout my lash line. But I do think for me or people with longer lashes than I do, I think just the mascara could work, but I definitely don't have that long of eyelashes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put on some individual lashes and I'll be back. So to be completely honest, I could not put any falsies because my eyelashes are curled way too much. So I just put one little individual lash on the outer corner of each eye, but now my lashes look a little bit crazy. So I'm just not going to mess with them anymore, but I really do recommend if you want that extra, you know, pizzazz to the look, to definitely put some falsies. I think falsies definitely elevate any look, and in my opinion, I love false lashes. So do what you want, you know, but that was not working out for me. It just wasn't working out. So now that that's done, I'm gonna do my hair and then we're gonna do gloss because I have like a hard time with like getting gloss on and like it looking good. So I'm scared to do it. So I had my hair in a braid all day just for this look, and I braided it kind of weird. Normally I would do like a braid going back like this, but I kind of just like went vertically down. She has like waves in her hair, not intense like this. We are going to tone it down, take out the braids, and then I'm going to add some product in my hair, and we're gonna make it look a lot better and a lot more like hers in a second, like now. Alright, so I have two products. I'm going to use this Beach Babe Texturizing Dry Shampoo, and I'm going to use that just like right here to kind of tone down that shine, because her hair looks not dull. Her hair is gorgeous, but like it doesn't look like you see how the waves like look very, that's not what we want. We don't want that. So I'm just going to put this all over and then shake it out and shake everything out. I don't know if that helped any, but let's see. Oh, okay, well I just made my hair white. Okay. I just took off my necklace. Alright. So you do want to keep some of like your natural oils on your scalp because her hair is kind of pushed down. Alright, and now I'm going to take the All Eyes on Me 10-in-1 Hair Perfector. I don't know what this does, to be completely honest, but I'm just trying to wet my hair to maybe pull down some of these waves, you know? So I'm just putting this all over my hair. I'm going to pull the waves down a little, hold it. And then I'm going to brush through my hair. So now I'm just going to go through with a brush and just kind of try to get out some of the waves. Honestly, it would probably just be easier for you to get a waver and just like messily wave random parts of your hair, but I just didn't want to use heat on my hair, so this is the way that I went. You also could probably just not wear the braids for that long if you have like straighter to wavy hair. My hair is very wavy and can sometimes curl even, so I probably should have just left this on for a little bit, not as long as I did. I left it on all day. The braids I'm saying, because now my hair is too wavy. So I'm just gonna mess around, fluff around my hair a little, figure it out, then we'll be back to the lip gloss and then we'll be done. So see you in a second. Alright, so I toned down the waves in my hair just enough. It's a little wet right here because I had to just like wash that whole section out. But the hair is like no. So now lip gloss time. I hate lip gloss. Yeah, I have so many. I don't hate lip gloss, alright? I think it looks beautiful on everyone except me. I don't think it looks good on me. It looks very good on Olivia, and I'm sure it'll look beautiful on anyone and everyone. Don't like it on me. Now it's lip gloss time. Alright, so she didn't have any shimmer on her lips, so I'm not going to go for my Fenty, even though I actually really do like the Fenty lip glosses. I think everyone does. So I think I'm going to either go with my Item Beauty, which if you're wondering why it looks darker than the one that you actually get, it's because I added like some lip stain in it to try to see if I'll like use it more often. Have I? No. So it's a little darker because of that, or I can just go in with like my basic ColourPop Juicy Lip Balm. I should go in with just like this clear lip balm from ColourPop, just because her lip gloss does seem very, very much clear, and that she just like has like a very natural color like what I did underneath, and then just some clear lip gloss. Sorry this is just taking so long just for lip gloss. So if you're not like me and you're not crazy, just put on some lip gloss, call it a day. Alright. Lip gloss is on, guys. Alright, so this is the completed look. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I wore like the black big oversized t-shirt situation that she had. Tried to kind of match some of the jewelry too. So if you want to get the full look, I would say just throw on like a comfy black t-shirt or that beautiful like green top that she's wearing. I love it. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.